at Nature's Inn, Hikers Hostel. Here's the shower building and some little cabins, and then down the hill there is where the bunkhouse is. That's where I stayed last night, least expensive. Nice lodge, kitchen. I'll show you a little bit about what's going on in there. This is the backside. They got a barbecue, and they also got a tent place up here. And you can put your tents up underneath a freaking nice cover. You have amenities at your disposal, including microwaves, Keurig, coffee, power, and plenty of things to look at. Air fryers, pizza oven, and a full, cool little resupply with all sorts of goodies. Had a DiGiorno pizza last night. It was all good. They got all the sugary stuff, good for hikers. Beautiful wood stove, Tennessee flag, utility sink, and so on. Nice place to hang for the day. It was supposed to be raining today, but as you will see through the window, the screen, that the rain is passed north of us. You can see it over there. So I think it's a good day for a zero after a couple slack packing days. Nice.
Only federal taxes, you got state taxes, city taxes.
Won't need this no more.
County taxes.
Showers at Nature's Inn, pretty clean. Benches, toilets with cover, nice sink area, soap and towels provided. Enjoy. What's the name of this town? Erwin. Erwin's got burgers at Pals. How about that? First time at Pals. We'll see what it's like. I'll let you know.